Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a refashion enthusiast. I love to transform old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy and yeah, usable too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it has been really long. It has been a month since I posted anything because I was sick and I am fine now. So I am back with a new transformation again. Today I'm going to show you transformation on this shirt which I bought for almost $2 each. These shirts are actually striped shirts, but the stripes don't seem to be showing as they are really small stripes. I fell in love with the color and the material is pretty good for summer, so let's see what I transform these shirts into. Let's get started. First of all, detach the lower body and the sleeves. Do the same on both shirts. Then detach the collars from both tops. Then rip open all the shoulder seams, side seams and make them different pieces. Do that on both sides and we're going to use this front piece as our overlapping piece for the front part. A new body pattern like this according to your measurement or simply trace from any of your crop top in a way that the chest and waist measurement is same. I have made my bodice a bit larger so that it fits 2 to 3 sizes up than me, like a free size. So make a new seam line and cut according to that, leaving seam allowances. Cut out the front placket from both of the front part. Join the front part by giving it a straight stitch. Do it on both sides and don't forget to interlock all the raw edges. Now taking back bodice as a reference, mark the side seams and armholes and make a curved line from the shoulder line up to the waistline like this. Leave some seam allowance and cut out the pattern. Placing that piece as a reference, cut out another half of the front part from another piece. Adjust your neckline if you have to. After you're done with the adjustment, now join the front and back part from the shoulder line. Find the midpoint and make dart of 1.5 inches, 3.5 inch far from the center front. I did a mistake and I marked my dart at the center front and I had to redo it all. You guys make sure you mark your dart 3.5 inch far from center front and your center front is not that corner. Now take the remaining piece from the bodice and start cutting stripes of 1.5 inch to make a bias strip. Make a bias strip like this, and if you guys don't know how to make a bias strip, please go and check out my previous tutorials. We are gonna finish our neckline by putting on the bias strip. Sandwich the neckline in between the bias strip and start pinning. Now give a stitch on the bias strip like this and we're done with the neckline. Join the side seams and interlock all the raw edges. Try on the body and see if the neckline pops up like this. To prevent it from popping, adjust the neckline and pin it from the bottom. Or simply mark it. Pin it and secure it by giving it a stitch. After stitching, interlock all the raw edges. Now take the lower part of the shirt and cut out all the hemlines from both of the lower part. I wanted to use this bottom layer as a skirt, so I stitched both of the part from the hemline to give it a tulip skirt look. So I'm gonna take out the pockets from the bottom part and keep the pockets at the upper part as it is. Sew the pocket seams close and join the skirt. Find the midpoint of the front bodies and mark 5 inches to left and right from the midpoint. We're going to be cutting our waistband somewhat like this. Take the remaining back bodies and start cutting stripes of 2 inches on fold. Take the stripes, separate them and join each of them like this. Join all the stripes together and make it a round waistband. Find the midpoint of the waistband and align the midpoint to the midpoint of the body's waist. Sandwich the top in between the waistband and pin them around. And give it a stitch. Now take an elastic of 1/2 inch or 1 inch and cut 1/4 of the waistline of the top. Take the elastic, sew it from one yellow part to another yellow part covering all the back side. First of all, secure it by pin and sandwich the elastic in between the waistband and stitch it. To prevent the elastic from twisting inside or getting out of place, you can stitch it like this by stretching. After we're done with the top, now it's time to join the skirt. As my skirt was already 3 inches larger than the top, first what I did was found the midpoint of the skirt and matched the midpoint of the skirt to the midpoint of the top. Started pinning the skirt to the top, and with the extra fabric or extra 3 inches I made pleats of 1.5 inches right below the notch from where the elastic band starts. Did the same to the another side of the notch and sew it closed. I had total of 4 sleeves from the 2 shirts, and first what I did was cut the cuff and cut all the interlock and side seams of the sleeves. Saw if the sleeves was bigger and adjusted the sleeves according to the armhole. Then measure 10 inches from the top of the sleeves and make the sleeve 10 inches long. Do same on the both sides. Also make the front armhole 1/2 inch down from the original armhole. Adjust the measurement of the sleeves according to your measurement and cut it. Take another sleeve, and we're going to use this sleeve as the bottom part of the sleeves. Measuring the longer part as 13 inches, I cut the sleeve as it was and just gave it a round shape. Measure 3 inches and mark it and sew up to the marked point. After joining and interlocking the side seams of the sleeves and the bottom flare, now we're gonna join this flare to the sleeves like this. Do the same on the both sides and join the sleeves to the armholes. To finish the hemline, interlock the hemline of the skirt and fold it and give it a stitch. Do the same on the flare of the sleeves as well. To add a bit of a cute look, I added lace to the seam line of the sleeves and 10 inches part of the waistline. And we're done with the transformation. So here's the final transformation.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this refashion. You can also turn your two shirts into this kind of pretty summer dress. If you like this transformation or if you like what I do, then please give my videos a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel for videos in every 2 weeks. Yes guys, from now on I'll be posting my new transformation video in every 2 weeks. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye and take care.